Good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Friday, March 28, 2025. And it's the last trading day of this week. And this week is the final week 13, the final week of quarter one right there. So we finished this first quarter of 2025. So it make a very significant meaning. So it's close of the first quarter of 2025, and that means the first quarter is a Dow close candle. Yep. So if you look on a quarter time frame, you can see this is the first quarter 25. This is the last quarter. Wow, look at that. Very interesting right there. Wow, do we see that? Wow, that quarter come back in April, the high of April. Very interesting. If you look, you can see that last year is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 quarter right there, and just the first quarter of this year it go down to the level around the second quarter of the prior year. So it's a very interesting phenomenon right there. If you look on the quarter level, wow, it's gives a lot of idea right there. So basically, if we see that if it retraces at this level, it tells us that let's clear out this auto-drawing job for now. Let's do that. So we want to see when it's crossed over right here, the level that it close, right? The high of this candle, let's see. We want to see. So what's the high of this? 58.30. 58.30. Right, and okay. Oh, wow, very interesting, huh? The high of that is 58.30 right there. So what day? Oh, we can see that. Wow, that's amazing. If we look on the daily, you can see that how that impact, how that's manifest itself in the low time frame right there. So you see that level. Yep. So exactly this week it retests that level, and then it going down again. So that is the key level right there. So that is the quarter of July right there. So if we look the quarter, but if we look on the monthly, you can see very interesting right here. So look on the high time frame, give a lot of perspective where the market heading to. See that? So you see that in the monthly, you see that level at first it hit in September last year, prior year 2024, and then test from below again October, and then on November it break that level to upside, and then you see that in the January it test from above, February it didn't test this, and then boom, March it go down, it went down right there. That's remarkable right there, how high time frame really influence. All right, so that is the high time frame level right there. All right, so we go back to our economic calendar. So for this week, there's no high impact news. The GDP data come out on Thursday, and it's become kind of medium to low impact. But we remember one time it really become a high impact news. It's really expansion. But for this week, it did not have any impact at all. So you see that this on Thursday, right, the 27, March 27, you can see that 8:30 is like nothing. When the data release on 8:30 right there, it's nothing. It's not moving at all. That's amazing. Okay, so now let's see what opportunity or what lesson we learned for today. So here's today is Friday. It's a Friday. It's a beautiful setup. All right, if we look on the daily, we can see that. Here's what we see this morning. We check the screenshot. So here's the screenshot we checked this morning around 6 in the morning. 6:20 in the morning. All right, so look right here. We kind of thought that it's gonna be expansion and retracement right here, and then it's gonna continue to go up right here. And because we saw this level at 57 right there, right, it's break the level and test from below. So we thought that it's gonna be go up. So that's what we see. And we see that the sell side liquidity rate right there, we thought, wow, it's perfect to go along. That's what that our thought process right there. And that's the reason we took the trade right there when we see it on high time frames or 6:17, right around there we go in and we just take one contract right there to test it out. Because we look on a high time frame right there, you see that it's gonna. We thought it's gonna retrace and then it's gonna continue, but it turned out it's not. It become a reversal. So we look on the high time frame. We thought it's gonna be retracement right here, but it did not. It did not. It did not. So let me see. So at that moment, we go in at 15 right there. So let's go back to the chart to check where is we got stop out. So 6, yes, around here we get stop out right away, or not real right away, but about 45 minutes later we got stop out. So that's our first trade, and that's how we look. But now we learn the lesson right there. So just look on the daily time frame. Where our daily time frame? Right here. So right here, if we mark the low of the Monday, because basically Monday is set up the range for the whole week right there. You see that? The Monday right there, and on Tuesday it's close above that Monday high, but then on Wednesday, boom, it's sell off. So it take the buy side and then it kind of come down, take a sell side. That's exactly. And today it go down and it closed the gap right here and clap right there. So let's see, you remember right here we have very interesting right here. It may go and visit this level again. Yeah, let's mark this low right here of the Mondays. Basically Monday is the candle range theory for us right there. So the low of Monday right here is 57.39. Look here, it can tell you the level right there. 39. And let's call out right there. Yep. So now we go into, yep, so you see that in today is, it already break it down, huge breakdown right there. So right here it's just the first leg down retracement, and then boom, it make a second leg down right there. This is the Monday low right here. This is the low of Monday. So Monday really set up for this week. Monday really set up a beautiful trade in the candle range for us right there. Yes, so that Monday low right there. So if we look 5 day, you can see, yeah, you see that's the Monday low, also pretty much like the open right there for Monday. Yep. 57.39. That's the Monday low. Let's make it a little bit longer so we can see. Yeah, 39. 39. Yes, so that's the Monday low. It opened right there, and you see that the Tuesday is touch above the high, and then boom, Wednesday sell off, and then we see a little bit consolidation or non-expansion on Thursday, and boom, another expansion to the downside on Friday, which is today right there. That's amazing. Yes, so today we need to see that they are set up for a year. At first, when we thought they're gonna be a lot, we thought, okay, break test, that's from above right there. This is candle. We thought it's gonna be a reversal from here, but it's not. It's just this candle is just a setup. You see that we thought it's break, right? That's from the reverse, but as soon as it rate the buy side of that candle, then boom, it come down. We did follow the short right here, but we got chicken. We don't know because we make a mistake. That's the lesson learned for us. We could show the trade that we took, and the mistake we make, which is the lesson we learn. And so we figure out that look for this pattern right at 8:30. It's set up right there. You can see at 8:30 it set up the candle range right there. So it failed to break. It only rate the buy side, and then boom, it gonna go and make. You see the candle at 9:30, it did test the low, then get ready and short them. Yeah, the reason we make mistake right here is because but if we do it right, we should not, because we can take the quick profit right there. But like as you can see right here, the candle ran right there. Boom, we're gonna break that level. What's the low of this one? 57, 1275. And the high of this is 3075. Exactly. So we have to understand the liquidity on a high time frame. Then we know as soon that you see it felt to break above the Monday low, then get ready for the expansion. Yeah, that's ready for expansion right there. It's very remarkable right here. When we saw this one, we thought it's gonna be a long. We did go long. Look, see the trade we take. Right here, so we take screenshot. Ratan, we see that start coming down, so we know that it may the next level gonna be 702 right there level. By the way, the trading view, the level on the aggregated data is a little bit different with the Thinker on Swim. To be aware of the difference right there, the discrepancy right there between two platforms. And we see that, and right here we see the huge up move right there. So we chase them. Yes, we chase them. You see that? And we almost hit the targets, but boom, it go down. And now we see, wow, at 8, yeah, at 9:35, right? We thought it's gonna be retraced from here and it go this level. That's the reason why we increase the size right there, but that's our mistake. So after we go long, we should check profit area. We did not, so we got stop out. And here we try to increase the size, go long again. But you see that it go back again just right away. Boom. We saw this movie before, which is the 9:30 candle right there, the 9 o'clock candle, and then the 15 right here, and then the 9:30 is test from above, both above and below. But then the next one, the 45 is gonna explosive to the upside. Okay, so we come in with short right there. We should let it run. We say we go in at the 3 minutes before it's close the candle at 9:45. See 9:45? Yes, we should stay there and look at the candle at 10 o'clock. Huge. We should stay there, but we did not. So because we have a big loss, so we try to regain. And then when it move again, that we get nervous, we just get out. How silly it is, you know. But anyway, we learn from our mistakes, so that the mistake bother us. We should not regret or feel shame about it at all. It's a lesson learned for us. See that? Boom. Boom. Wow. Right here it looks like Yeah, it looked like a retrace, right? But it did not. Look at, wow. So right here at 10, just 8 minutes later, boom. And it continued to went down there, the average round. Yeah, after that trade, we're done. We're done for today. It's Friday. We don't want to do too much. Just two beautiful lessons we learned right there. That's the trade we do. But if we look carefully, we can see right here, the 9 is just the setup the sell liquidity. Yep, we didn't saw it coming. That's the reason why. Okay, so right here, why? Oh. Yeah, at the model level, you can see that there's something right here. Yeah, this candle right there, you see that? So right here, you see level is break, reverse, and then break again. So it tells us, and this one got flipped, so it tells us it's the bearish right there. But anyway, we look from, in hindsight. Okay, this one setup from yesterday. This setup is ICT called Euro3 at 9:30. Euro3 at 9:30 and then it reverse. Yes, we saw that setup from yesterday. You see that? As soon as it swing at 9:30, take the previous day low, right? It already takes at 18, but it do one more time at that level and boom, it reverse. We did take this trade up, take the opportunities yesterday. Yeah, this is a pattern, and the ICC term this called Euro swing at 9:30 right there. Yeah, here's the model that ICC say open range right there. The trick that we have to use a regular trading hour in order to see that pattern. So basically it rate the prior day low right there and then boom, it reverse. And that's what, let's take a look. Let's turn this into a regular trading hour so we can see it. Okay, so right here, that's the model that ICC currently sees. The opening gap right there, and it take the low of prior day right there, and boom, it reverse. So it happened exactly like he said. That's amazing setup right there. Yep. So that happened yesterday, but we see that it happened on other instant. Let's take a look at other instant. So here the instant that it happened on March 11, right? March 11. All right, here's the screenshot we take. So basically there's a gap right there on September 16 and then March 10 it tries to fill gap. After fill gap, it will reverse. So here's the screenshot we take at 15 minutes. You see the gap right there. We take before, and here's the 15 minutes right there. And at the end, it's a Dow close candle, Dow close. So the 9:30s, yeah, it's not really fit in here. I think we make a mistake right here. It should not be expansion and reverse. Yeah, but a little bit different than today. Yes, it do the expansion and reverse. That's why it does, but a little bit different than today. Let's see our instant that happened exactly like today. All right, here's the instant happened on March 10th. No, we already talked about this. Is that right? Yeah, March 10. No, it's the March 11. So March 10 and March 11 is very similar. Let's see. I look again. Yeah, very similar right there. Expansion and then it reverse. Expansion, but the different that the March 10 is continue to go down very. A lot, huge. Alright, here's a example that just Euro swing at 9:30 and then it reverse. It happened on August. So this one is similar to the one that happened this Thursday. Right, this Thursday right here, Euro swing. Euro swing at 9:30. But this Thursday is a long setup. But the one on August is so beautiful. It's a short setup. You see that? It's Euro swing, expansion at 9:30 and then reverse. It take out the high. You see that? Got a short setup, then it take out the high and London high. The high of previous day. But for the short setup, it take out the low. Because it's for long setup, it take out the low of the previous day and then it reverse. But this one, the reversal is the huge down move. Here is it not much. It's just reversal and then it come back to the open. So basically, it's a non-expansion move, non-expansion day. But this one is a huge expansion day right there. It's similar like today is a huge expansion. But the trick that's the Euro swing for today is happen at 9:30. Right? Euro swing up and then boom, it reverse. Let's take a look at other instant. So here's the instant that similar to August we have in November. Similar, you see the 9:30 right there is swing high, Euro swing right there, expansion. Take out, in this case, the PM is not the whole day, just prior day PM, not prior day by itself. And then boom, it reverse. See that? That is the Euro swing right there. Let's take a look at other instant. So right here we have other things, and right here it's happened on November 25th. The same idea right there, swing and then reverse. It take out the previous. In this case, it's take out the previous day high right here, and then you have a gap up right there. So you have a lot of liquidity down here. That's reason why it swing and then it reverse. Let's take a look at the instant. In this one, it happened on October 2nd. Yes, you can see right there. Oh, beautiful. October 2nd look like the one we have like this Thursday, a long setup right there. And it's a range day right there. You see that? It take out the previous day low right there. Yep. 9:30 swing. And then boom, it reverse. Yeah, so it's similar to what happened this Thursday right here. See that? That's swing, check out the sell side liquidity or low of Friday, and then boom, it reversed. But this one is it's huge move. The swing right here is like 47. Wow, it's a huge expansion, much bigger than today. Right here is another instant of US week at 9:30 and reverse. This happened on October 29. So you see that right here. It take out liquidity right there, a previous day low at 9:30 right there. And then it reversed. See that? Oh, actually, yes, right here, that's the previous day right there. And it's also filling the gap. We see that's this pattern before, it fill the gap. It swing at 9:30, fill the gap and take out the low of prior day or PM, and then it reverse. This. All right, I think we have one more instant, and then we wrap up here. This one is. This one is happened on October 30. So October 30. Yes, so right here, you see that the swing at 9:30 and then it's reversed. But right here is not really, it only swing, check out the low of the prior day, the PM. It will be more reliable if it check out the low of the the whole day prior day right there instead of just PM right there. Yep. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We always grateful for these opportunities. Day by day, little by little, we're getting better and better. No doubt. And doing what we love, then success coming our way. Have a great evening and a great weekend, and see you next week. Bye for now.